Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Karen and today I'm testing a strategy that combines fractal indicator and moving average on pocket option. A lot of people say this 1 minute setup is powerful for binary trading, but I want to see for myself if it works. So make sure to stick around to the end of this video to see the real results. Here is the setup I am using. You come here, this place that has 3 dots, you click on it. Click on the second icon. There you find the indicators. We are looking at fractal and moving average. You're clicking the moving average 2 times because we are using 2 lines. Now for the setting, you click on the fractal and change the period to 3. You save it. For the first moving average, you change the period to 3, leave it as SMA and save it. The second one, you change the period to 7, leave it as SMA and save it. Let's change the colors of the moving average. You click on style. The first one, I'll use white. I'll change it to 2px so that it will be clearer. I'll save. The second one, I'll use red. Click on style. Click on red. I'll click on 2px and I'll save. You click on this thing written USD That is where the currency pairs are. Please use currency pairs with high payout. Anything below 90%, don't trade with it. For the time frame, you click on candles, change this to 1 minute, and that's it. So it means all these candles you're seeing, they will open and close for just 1 minute. You click on time and click on M1. It means the trade will only take place for just 1 minute. The rule of this strategy is simple. If the white moving average crosses above the red moving average, you see a fractal, it means that the price is going up. If the red moving average crosses below the white moving average and you see a fractal green line, it knows that the price is going down. So let's look for a nice setup and take the trade. You see the candles going by side, please do not take a trade. It means the market is consolidating, is not trending. Please don't take a trade. When you see the long wicks, all these long things showing on the candles, do not take a trade. It means the market is very volatile. The white moving average has crossed the red one. Fractal has not shown its signal, so we will not take this trade. Let's wait for this candle to finish. If fractal drops its green signal, then we'll take a trade. Exactly. Let's take a trade. The white candle crossed above the red line and fractal pops up its green signal, so I took a trade. So let's see how profitable this strategy is. Please do not take as many trades as I did. If you're a beginner, take only 1 trade a day so that you do not burn your money. I keep emphasizing on this so that you do not burn your money. The reason I love pocket option is because it is beginner friendly. Any beginner, once you can practice your strategy, you can actually start trading. Wow, this is another hot strategy. This is another hot strategy. All the trades I took are profitable. Let's look for another setup. Please don't forget, when you see the candles going side by side, it means the market is consolidating. Do not take a trade. Even though you see a crossing, do not take a trade. Let's look for another setup. Okay, the white candle is about to cross. Let's see if fractal will give its signal. We'll have to wait for this candle to finish. No, it tilted downwards, so it means it's not going up. Even though there was fractal, but the crossing did not happen very well. So please make sure you're careful. Now you see the fractal has disappeared to tell you that it was not a strong signal. So please make sure you're careful and detailed before putting a trade. Let the crossing be a strong crossing. You will know that it's going to be a profitable trade. So there was a signal. So this was a setup, and I've decided to take the trade. There was a crossing, and Fractal also popped up its signal. So I took a buy trade. If you want to register with this platform, the link is going to be in the description of this video. You can click on it and register. Registration is free of charge. Make sure you practice the strategies very well before you start trading. Perfect, 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 perfect. This is sweet. This is very good. All trades were profitable. All trades were profitable, and that is the last I'm going to take for today. So after testing this fractal and moving average strategy on pocket option with 1 minute trade, here is my result. I took more than 20 trades, just like I always do. Duh. But please don't follow me. My honest review is it works best when the market is trending. But if the market is volatile, please do not take that trade. It's going to give you a false signal. So if you enjoyed this test, hit the like button to support the channel. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next strategy I'll be testing. Have you ever tried the moving average and the fractal strategy? Please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.